So essentially what we're doing in this assignment is we are taking a dictionary that has tuple values inside of it, and we need to change it. We need to change it to a list in order to do that because tuples are immutable. So when we come over to the assignment here, we have all the information given to us so far for the assignment. So we have the ISIN and ISIS, which are set within tuples, noted by parentheses instead of brackets. And mydict is the dictionary that we're creating for this, and we're inputting ISIN and ISIS for course values set in the tuples. So we want to call these keys here later to show vertically underneath the course value. So we're calling the function here, and I already have it imported from assignment 7 function, which is named there. And so what we're going to do is we're technically going to pull from the dictionary for course name and course dict.keys because we want to pull the keys and have them print. So we're printing those, and like I said, the keys are these here. So now we have to change it to a course list because we need to change these. And we got to make the tuples into a list so we can actually change them. So we're going to set it to here just to get it started so we can call upon it here and actually start making changes. So we also need the numbers, which are here. We need those values. So in course dict course name, which we have defined up here, we need to append the course number to the course list that's already set here. So when these get printed, then these are going to get printed. The numbers are going to get printed afterwards. So what it's going to do, it's going to keep looping and pull out the numbers as we show down here. But we also have to sort it so it goes in numerical order.